Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today we want to synthesize Mercury 1 bromide. Check this out. All you need for this reaction is some mercury, a small ampule of bromine, and a flask to combine the two. Okay, start out by adding about 2 milliliters of bromine to your small flask, and then add 1 drop of mercury on it. Now you can start seeing the reaction take place. And the white solid that will develop in the bottom of the flask is Mercury 1 bromide, Mercurous bromide. Okay, the reaction is over and you can definitely see that white product in the bottom of it. Mercury 1 bromide. You can see it on the walls of the flask. Very exothermic reaction. Very cool. Bromine and mercury in RamZland.